Hey everyone, welcome back to TalkBox English Podcast. I'm Alex Carter from New York City.
And I'm Sarah Johnson, originally from Chicago, but now living in California. Hi, guys.
Today we are pretending we just ran into each other at the supermarket. You know, pushing carts, looking at fruit, the usual Saturday morning thing.
Exactly. And we're going to talk about something every single person does, shopping for groceries at a supermarket. It's super useful English for beginners because you talk to cashiers, ask for help, read signs, all easy stuff, but so practical.
Yeah, so grab a snack, relax with us, and let's practice together. Ready, Sarah?
Totally ready. Let's start like we just bumped into each other in the produce section.
Oh, hey Sarah, what's up? Fancy seeing you here.
Haha, Alex, hi. Yeah, Saturday grocery run. Same as always. How are you?
I'm good. Just trying to eat healthier this month, so I'm staring at vegetables like they're my new best friends.
Haha, I feel you. Look at my cart. Half salad, half cookies. Balance, right?
That's the key. Cookies are a vegetable in my world.
Totally. Hey, nice hat today. Going for the cool dad look?
Thanks. Yeah, it hides the messy hair. You look cute. That scarf is pretty.
Aw, thank you. It's cold in the store with all the freezers. Brr.
Right? I always forget a jacket and regret it by the ice cream aisle. So, what are you making this week?
Probably pasta again. Easy and cheap. You?
Tacos. My boyfriend loves them. I need ground beef, tortillas, cheese, the works.
Nice. I love tacos. Maybe I'll copy you. Hey, do you know where the onions are? I always get lost in this store.
Oh yeah, follow me. They moved everything last month. It's over here now, next to the potatoes.
Thank you. You're a lifesaver.
No problem. Happens to everyone. Remember the first time I shopped here? I spent 20 minutes looking for milk. It was right in front of the door.
Ha, classic. My first big shop in the US, I was studying abroad. I asked for biscuits, thinking I'd get cookies. Got gravy biscuits instead. Total confusion.
Oh no, that's so funny. Yeah, American supermarkets are huge compared to some countries. Aisles and aisles of stuff.
Exactly. Overwhelming at first, but now I kind of love it.
Okay, let's practice some real situations beginners can use. First, asking where something is. And we're back. Sarah's asking a store worker, Alex plays the worker.
Excuse me, do you work here?
Yes, I do. How can I help you?
Hi, could you tell me where the bread is, please?
Sure, it's in aisle 7, right next to the bakery section. Do you need anything else?
No, that's it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a great day. See? Super simple. Just excuse me, smile, and ask clearly.
And workers are usually really nice. They want to help. Let's try another one. At the checkout. Hi, how are you today?
Hi, I'm good, thanks. Did you find everything okay?
Yes, thank you. Oh, wait, I forgot bags. Do you have any?
Sure, paper or plastic?
Paper, please. And could I have a receipt?
Of course. That'll be $45.50. Cash or card?
Card, please. Thank you.
You're all set. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Easy, right? Beginners, practice those lines. Did you find everything okay? Is what they always say. Just answer, yes, thank you, and you're good.
And if you didn't find something, say, actually, I was looking for rice. Do you have any? No problem. Okay, next scene. Alex and Sarah are comparing prices looking at cereal. Sarah, help me choose. This cereal is $3.99. This one is $5.49, but it's organic. Worth it?
Depends. Do you really taste the difference?
Honestly, no. I'm going cheap today.
Smart. I do the same with coffee. Store brand tastes just fine.
Totally. My mom always says, why pay more for the same thing?
Moms know best. Oh, look, avocados are on sale. 2 for $3. Grabbing some.
Lucky. Last week they were so expensive. I waited and waited for the price to drop. Next scene. In the fruit section again, weighing produce.
I love these scales. Makes it easy.
Yeah, watch. I need bananas. Okay, 1.2 pounds.
Perfect. Not too many. Hey, remember when we tried to buy dragon fruit for the first time?
Oh man, yes. We had no idea how to pick a good one. Googled it right in the aisle.
The worker saw us and just said, press it. If it's soft, it's ready. So helpful.
People are kind. That's what I love about shopping here. Little chats everywhere. Next scene, at the deli counter. Hi, can I get half a pound of turkey, please? Sliced thin.
Sure thing. Anything else?
Yes. A quarter pound of cheddar cheese, please. Thanks.
Coming right up. Here you go.
Thank you so much.
Numbers are important at the deli. Half a pound, quarter pound, easy to remember.
And sliced thin or sliced thick, useful words. Then a longer pause. They pretend to walk towards the exit.
You know what I always forget? Reusable bags. I have like 20 at home, but never bring them.
Same. I pay for bags every time. Bad for the planet and my wallet.
Next week, we'll remember. Promise?
Deal. They reach the exit. All right, I think that's everything for me. Good running into you.
You too, Alex. Always fun. Text me if you make those tacos. Maybe share the recipe.
Will do. Have a great weekend.
You too. Bye.
And now they turn back to the camera.
So that's a normal grocery trip. Lots of little conversations, nothing scary.
Exactly. Beginners, you don't need perfect English. Just be polite, smile, and try. People will understand.
Your challenge this week, go to a supermarket and say at least 3 things we practiced today. Maybe, excuse me, where's the milk? Or thank you, have a nice day.
You'll feel so proud after. Small steps make big progress.
And remember, making mistakes is okay. We all do it. Even native speakers forget words sometimes.
True story. That's it for today's episode of TalkBox English Podcast.
If you enjoyed this, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one.
Leave a comment below. What's your favorite thing to buy at the supermarket? Or tell us if you're nervous about speaking English there. We read everything.
Yes, we love hearing from you.
Thanks for watching, everyone. See you next time.
Bye, have an awesome day, and happy shopping!